Hello, it's Games here once again, and in this video we are going to fix the shotgun trace, so I will show you. Now if we shoot with the shotgun to the window, you can see we lose all our ammo, and also the line trace doesn't go through. So, for example, if I shoot with the pistol, you can see the line trace goes through, like that. So, the shotgun trace is not working correctly. And also the tracers on the shotgun are not working correctly because I forgot to update the code on the shotgun trace. So yeah, let's get to work. So first we want to go to the blueprints and to the BP first person character. Let's open it. Okay, now we are at the fire trace. We actually want to go to the shotgun trace. So, let's actually first go to the custom fire trace. So we will actually have to do a few things here. So what we want to do is we actually want to delete everything after the shoot, hit, get material or actor. So everything here, let's delete it. And also this here. So now we only have all this code. So it will end after the branch if we get the hit with the line trace. Then we will call the shoot, hit, get material or actor function and nothing else. So we are not decrementing the clip in this function. So yeah, everything should be correct here now. So now what we want to do, we actually want to go to the, let's go to the fire trace first. So we have all these here at the end. So we'll spawn the emitter, sound, decrement clip ammo and recall. So let's copy all these. Let's select them and Control C and then delete like that. Now let's go to the start and let's move this a little bit further to the left. And let's add a sequence to here. So S and left click. From the true. And from the 10, 0, let's connect back to the line trace. And to the 10, 1, we want to add all this code that we can just paste here. So Control and V, like that. Now from the 10, 1, not from the 0, so from the 10, 1. So this will fire after all this code here. So 10, 1, let's get from it and connect to the spawn emitter attached. Now let's move all this a little bit further to the right. Let's make it align with the bottom one, so with this one. Okay, it's not aligning, so let's move one to the left. Let's add a reroute, like always. Let's move it here, and yeah, now it's much cleaner. So now we want to go to the shotgun trace. Okay, here on the shotgun trace, what we want to do, we actually don't want to do anything here, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So, oh, now I remember. Yeah, sorry. We will have to fix this. So now we are spawning the emitter tracer from here. So let's delete this spawn actor PP particle tracer. Let's delete that. And what we want to do now, we have to get our set tracer stats function that we created a few episodes back. Now let's connect this to here. Let's split the transform. Let's get the tracer scale and connect it to the transform scale. And let's get the socket location. And let's connect it to the transform location. Find look at rotation to the transform rotation. Yeah. I think we should be, no, we actually are not done yet. What we will have to do next is we will have to move everything here after. Actually, let's move first these a little bit to the left. So now we can select everything after that and move them a lot more to the right, like that. Let's get from here, move this also like that. Let's also add a reroute here. Let's get from this and connect to there. So now it looks a lot better. Actually, I think, yeah, this is a small, yeah, that's okay. So, sorry, we will have to move this branch also. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired today. Yeah, so why did we do that? I will show you now. Because we will have to promote the impact point and the tracer end also in this shotgun trace function. So let's go to the variables. Let's get the impact point. We want to set it here before the branch. So impact point to the impact point. We will actually have to move this even further, like that. So now we have the impact point here. Now we want to get the tracer end, and we want to set it. Let's connect it back to the branch, and let's get from here to the tracer end, like that. Let's add a reroute to this return value. Let's move it to here, and other return reroute. Actually, why did I move them there? Let's move them here to the bottom, like that. So yeah, now everything looks correct here. And so let's compile and save all. And everything should be working. So let's go and see. Let's buy the shotgun from the wall and let's shoot this blank. Yeah, only one ammo, and yeah, all the traces went through. So let's shoot the zombies. And as you can see, the tracers work, or the line traces. Okay, now let's see if the actually it should work, but yeah, let's quickly just go to the weapon data table and to the 4, so to our shotgun. Here on the tracer type, let's change it to custom, and let's make the color like that. Let's make the size, I will just try this, so I will make all 5. So let's see if the tracer works. It should work. Yeah, and as you can see, everything is working correctly here. I will just quickly change this back to, let's make it 1, for example, something like that. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.